Hey everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're enjoying your weekend and trading is not stressing you out so much. I thought of making today a video about understanding how the market structure really works because once you gain a hold on it, only then you can start predicting some prices for altcoins and finding a pattern, what and what not you should see so that you can make that decision of should I put my money in the market for a long term perspective or should I not? Should I wait a little bit more? Because no one tells you when and where to buy. Everyone just screaming buy every dip, as we dipped here, or dipped here. Everyone just kept saying buy. And by the time, people who don't know understand how the market is working, portfolio is already down by 63%. Yeah. So, uh, let's start by understanding a little bit about the market structure. I have picked, of course, Bitcoin for this because, according to me, Bitcoin is the king coin. And if you still don't understand why Bitcoin is the king coin, you can watch my last video. I'll drop a link to it in the description so you can watch that video to be more clear of why I always look at BTC and not every altcoins I trade on. Yeah. So, if you remember in the Telegram group last night I posted this fractal because I found this fractal as the closest confluence wise to the 2018 bear market over here. So, this is the fractal I'm going by for the next 2 3 months. I'll be watching this fractal and how the price action is behaving. If you have not joined the Telegram group yet, I'll post a link in the description. Please come and join us. I'll keep you regularly updated in that group. Let's hop on to the 4 hours chart. Yeah, because this fractal works best on the 4 hours chart. So, just a sec. So, if you understand how the fractal is working, let me just give you a brief description of it. If you can see the same structure like we have now, inverse head and shoulders, pick out and then drop, 25% drop. Yeah, the days for consolidation for the pattern to form was 11, and then for the drop was 5. And after that, you see the market consolidated for a long period of time, for about roughly 96 days, 97 days. Yeah, because you cannot just expect the market to dump so much and pick up straight away. Of course, there will be pushes here and up there, but we are talking about long term investing, not trading. Goals are different. Please be clear in your mind. So, if you see, once this consolidation level was established, that we are getting a very good support around this region. You can see previously it was acting as resistance over here and over here, and then it started giving a lot of support here. Yeah. So, basing on this, you can make a decision that okay, now we are out of the consolidation zone, little bit of retest, and then we took off from there. Yeah. So you see, this kind of market structure always forms when uh, when a price has to rebound or an uptrend has to start. You can see clearly over here also that the consolidation pattern was basically like this, in a downtrend forming lower lows, and then finally the liquidation was met and market took off over here. Yeah. So coming back to why I stress on understanding how market structure works, because last time, if you remember, when this structure happened, I was quite confident that the price is going to come down basing on the Fibonacci levels we see over here. Yeah. So the first point of confluence was over here. And then when this broke, you can see the maximum volume concentration that time was somewhere over here. Yeah. So when this started acting as resistance, you would find a new support zone for your market. Yeah. So basing on this parallel channel that we drew last time, because this became a primary resistance. Yeah. So somewhere in this line, you can see the price came and then started bouncing back. Uh, so yeah, basically you would want to see a structure building, yes. So what I mean by structure is that when I put some investment somewhere around this region, I saw this kind of uptrend forming. Yeah, these microstructures are never good because they normally break down always. You can see over here also the same thing happening. Here also I did not insert any money because again the same structure was happening, so it was bound to break down. Now I'm looking for somewhat like this. Yes, the same thing which I explained you over here. I want to see something like this happen. Only then, I can be sure that, okay, low is forming, the bottom, we are quite close to the bottom. The market needs to consolidate here. Yeah. And then, either take off or we'll see how the support, how much support Bitcoin is finding over here. Yeah, that's why this fractal was still important. So you see from this fractal, still a drop of 25% is expected, So there is no reason to hop in on every dip that you see. Let the market establish a structure, and if you see something like this happen, then only take a decision to enter the market. Yeah. So now basic structure we are established for Bitcoin. If you remember, I told you something called as the gearing ratio last time. Now you need to, if you have still not figured out what is the gearing ratio, and if you have still not calculated what is the gearing ratio for the altcoins you want to invest in, please go ahead and do that over the weekend. Believe me, it is going to help you. I can only guide you, but you need to put in the work, or else you would be lost where and why to put your money in. Unless you make some decisions where and how to put your money in, it will be very difficult for you to, because then you would just be following or relying on someone else's views. Yeah. So yeah, basically, this is the overall market structure definition of how you want to look, a pattern forming, and then a consolidation happening over here, and then finally, I mean, you can lay over the last complete consolidation fractal over here also. And if you see something like this happening, then yeah, you can decide to invest or not. Yeah. But all I want to say is don't rush into any investment, because normally when Bitcoin drops, your altcoin is going to drop more according to the gearing ratio they established with Bitcoin. Yeah. And you have a lot of time for this consolidation to solidify. Maybe this is not the bottom. Maybe it can dip down even more. People are calling for 9K, 8K, 3K Bitcoin from here, but I don't see any reason why Bitcoin needs to go. It is at a very good support level for from established over here. Of course, it can dip a little bit more down, but we have a lot of support around this whole band. So unless those supports are breached, I'm not going to make any price predictions of 9K, 3K Bitcoin, because I really don't understand how people come up with these levels, because you can sit for 6 months and hope that coin is going to come down, but then you miss out on a lot of trading opportunities because of the fear and the FUD in the market. So two things you need to avoid always. One is the FOMO, fear of missing out when these runs are happening, and the fear of, and the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So because you don't know, should I buy here because everyone is telling 3K Bitcoin, why not just wait till 3K and buy here and sit out? Yeah, you always have to make a decision, probability, and take a chance against it. Of course, trade with stop losses, and uh, just uh, just let the market show you what to do. Yeah, you can easily try to put a spot. If you just trade in spot, you can just try to do something like this, and hopefully this works. If it doesn't work out, you get stopped out, but at least it's worth a chance. Yes. So basically, this is all I want to say for the market structure perspective. What we are going to do is we're going to slowly start with one altcoin price predictions. Yes. And I'll show you in details in one video how to figure out what are the buy levels and what you want to look in that coin for investment purpose, because bear market are the best time for investments, believe me. This is not the time to get scared out and run from the market, because if you survive and learn how to trade or invest in crypto during these times, you will make immense amount of gains in the bull market. Yeah, hopefully this video made some sense, and hopefully you are ready to start this journey with us about learning how to invest and trade in crypto markets. Actually, we are working on a series of YouTube videos. We're in the process of shooting and editing them, and I'll start uploading those videos in a period of over a period of 1 month. So please stay tuned for it, and I'm sure will not disappoint you. These are just videos that we start with, because I see a lot of people have joined our channel and they're expecting some video content from us. So these are the basic videos that we are posting, but the series we are planning on is going to give you all around information, right from the crypto news to daily market analysis to how to do live trading sessions in crypto to altcoin price predictions, analyzing a project, determining which project is a scam, everything. Yeah, because I got fed up by listening to uh, different channels in YouTube, different channels in Twitter. Everyone was just misguiding him. Of course, there are few people whom I'll recommend who are really good in the analysis, completely unbiased. But there are a lot of biased people in Twitter. So once I gained some sufficient knowledge about crypto market, I thought to pass it on, because it is always good to pass it on. So with that note, please share this video with your friends, family, people who want to get into crypto. They don't need to follow us, they just need to follow what we say over here and learn from us and do their own research. And maybe by 3 to 4 months, we'll try to prepare you within those 3 to 4 months, so you're ready, when the next uptrend starts, and you can benefit from it. Believe me, there is time. So put time to learn, study, and understand. Follow us, watch our videos every day, and I guarantee you, by the end of 3 months, you will see that you would have changed your perspective completely about investing and trading in crypto. My goal is, what are all the mistakes that I have made, I don't want someone else to make it. So if I make you aware of all the mistakes that I have made, then maybe you don't repeat the same mistake. With that goal, we have started this channel, and hopefully you will benefit from this. All I want to ask in return is, please like, subscribe, and retweet our channel. Post as many videos that you see. Please refer to your friends to come and follow us, so that we have a good base and a community, so we can discuss and help each other out day in and day out. And yeah, let's weather this bear market together. Yes, so the next video I'll upload will be of Cardano price prediction, so please follow up to that video. I hope you liked the content. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and share it with your friends. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Have a great one. See you. Thank you. Bye.